Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 10 of exercise 2b. Question number 10 is simplify. This is minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power minus 7 multiply by minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power 9 bracket close divided by minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. According to BODMAS, firstly we will solve this inner bracket. Bases are same here, so powers will be added because we are multiplying them. So right here base once minus 2 upon 5. Powers will be added, so add them minus 7 plus 9 bracket close divided by minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. Now solve this exponential part. Minus 7 plus 9. Signs are different, so values will be subtracted. 9 minus 7 is 2 and sign will be of greater numeral, which is plus. So now this will become minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2 divided by minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. Now again in these two bases are same, so write the base once minus 2 upon 5. We are dividing them, so powers will be subtracted. It means 2 minus 2. This will become minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power 0. Clear? Which is equals to 1. Because in previous class I have explained if any rational number or any number has power 0, then its value will be 1. Clear? But students, this is not your answer. Why? Because they said express the result as a power of 5. How you can write it as a power of 5? If you write the power of 5 0, then its value will be 1. 5 raised to the power 0 is also 1 because this is a number and its power is 0. Any number having power 0 is 1. Clear? So we can write this one as 5 raised to the power 0. Why we have written like this? Because in question they said to write the answer as a power of 5. So this is your answer. Now the question number 11, simplify. They have given this minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 8 divided by minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Firstly we will solve this bracket. Minus bracket start minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 bracket close. We will solve this part. According to BODMAS we solve the bracket first. Clear? Now the bases are same, so write the base once. We are dividing them, so powers will be subtracted. Subtract them. 8 minus 5 minus, solve this bracket now. Bases are same. Minus 1 upon 3. Student, this is minus 1 upon 3. Now we are dividing them, so powers will be subtracted. So subtract them. 5 minus 3. Now this becomes minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 8 minus 5 is 3 minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. Now the bases are same, but we cannot add or subtract the powers or the exponents. Why? Because in between minus sign is given here. Multiplication के case में we add the exponents. In case of division we subtract the exponents. But in case of addition and subtraction, we need to simplify it separately. Clear? So minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 means minus 1 upon 3 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. So multiply it here. Minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3. Here minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2 means minus 1 upon 3 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Multiply it here. 1 multiply 1 is 1. Minus sign is occurring odd number of times. So put minus sign here. Denominator is 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. Minus 1 1s are 1. Minus sign is occurring even number of times. So the answer will be positive. 3 3s are 9. Now open the bracket. Minus 1 upon 27. Minus 1 upon 9. Denominators are different, so take the LCM of these denominators. It will be 27. 27 ones are 27, so no need to multiply the numerator by any number. 9 3s are 27, so multiply the numerator by 3. Simplify it. Minus 1 minus 3 ones are 3 upon 27. Sign of both the numerals are same, so values will be added. 3 plus 1 is 4 and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus. Denominator is 27. This is your answer. Now the next part is 2 raised to the power minus 1. If power is negative, then we can write the power positive after writing the reciprocal of the base. Clear? So we can write it here. Reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2. Now the power is 1. Divided by reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Now the power is positive. And its whole power is 2. Multiply by power is negative again. So you can make it positive after writing the reciprocal of the base. Base is minus 5 upon 8 and its reciprocal will be 8 upon minus 5. Power is positive now. Clear? 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 can also be written as 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 5 and the power is 2. Multiply 8 upon minus 5, or you can also write minus 8 upon 5. Both are same. When you divide two rational numbers, what do? You simply write the first rational number, replace the division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of the next rational number. Reciprocal of 1 upon 5 will be 5 upon 1. Power is 2 multiplied by 8 upon minus 5 raised to the power 2. 5 ones are 5 upon 2 ones are 2 raised to the power 2 multiply by 8 upon minus 5 raised to the power 2. Open the brackets. 5 upon 2 raised to the power 2 means 5 upon 2 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Multiply 8 upon minus 5 raised to the power 2 means 8 upon minus 5 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Now this numerator and this denominator can be cancelled out. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 of minus sign. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 of minus sign. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. What do you have now? In numerator you have 1 multiply 2 multiply 8 and in denominator you have 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. 8 twos are 16, 1 ones are 1 and minus sign is occurring even number of times, so it will be positive. 16 upon 1 is also equals to 16. This is your answer. Next is write the following numbers in scientific notation. Firstly, you need to understand what is scientific notation. A number is said to be in scientific notation if it is expressed as a product of number between 1 and 10. Product होना चाहिए of number between 1 and 10 and integral power of 10. Clear? This is the scientific notation. We write the number as a product of a number between 1 to 10 and integral power of 10. Clear? So to write it into the scientific notation, we will move this decimal here so that this number becomes between 1 and 10. Clear? So now the point will be here 5.42 and this number is between 1 and 10. Clear? Students, if you have observed here, how many places we have shifted the decimal? Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places we have shifted the decimal. So we will write here 10 raised to the power minus 6. Minus 6 का मतलब क्या है? This is in denominator, 10 raised to the power 6. It means then we will multiply this 5.42 by 1 upon 10 raised to the power 6. We will get this answer. Both are equal. Let's check it. Check कर लेते हैं एक बार. 5.42. In denominator we have 10 raised to the power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros we have in denominator, and already we have 2 decimal places. So how many digits should be there after decimal? 6 plus 2 is 8. So after decimal there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. So these are equal. Clear? Now let's do one more part. You want to write this number as a product of a number between 1 and 10. 1 and 10 के बीच में लाना है. So we will shift decimal here so that this becomes 3.142, which is a number between the number 1 and 10. Clear? Product of. Now we have shifted the decimal how many places? 1, 2, 3. 3 places we have shifted the decimal. So we will write here 10 raised to the power minus 3. This is your answer. Now they have given in scientific notation and they are asking to write it into the standard form. It means we will simply put the decimal. First part is 6 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 5. Clear? It means 6 multiply 10 raised to the power 5 minus 5 means 1 upon 10 raised to the power 5. Power negative का मतलब यही होता है when we will write it. 6 ones are 6 upon 10 raised to the power 5 means 10 will be multiplied by itself 5 times. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 5 zeros. In denominator we have 5 zeros. So we will put decimal before 5 digits. That means after decimal there should be 5 digits. So where we will put the decimal? 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will put decimal here. Okay. Number cannot start with decimal, so we will put 0 here. So 0.00006. Next part is 9.6 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 8. It means 1 upon 10 raised to the power 8. Why? Because the power is negative. Clear? This is equals to 9.6 multiply 1 is 9.6. 10 raised to the power 8 means 10 will be multiplied by itself 8 times. So there will be 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in denominator you have 8 zeros and already you have 1 decimal place. That means after decimal there is already have 1 digit. So we will put decimal 8 plus 1 before 9 digits. That means after decimal there should be 9 digits. Clear? So write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will put decimal here. And number cannot start with decimal, so we will put 0 here. So our answer is 0.00000096. Let's count how many decimal places we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your answer. Next is compare. Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or equal sign. Clear? For this, firstly you will solve these two parts. This is 2.3 raised to the power minus 6. Power is minus 6. It means we will divide by 10 raised to the power 6. How many zeros will be there in 10 raised to the power 6? Of course 6. Clear? And we have already one decimal place. So after decimal, how many digits should be there? 7. So this can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be equals to this number. Again, there is 10 raised to the power minus 5. It means we are dividing by 10 raised to the power 5. So how many zeros will be there in 10 raised to the power 5? Of course 5 na. And already we have 2 decimal places because after decimal there are 2 digits. So now after decimal, how many digits will be there? 7. Clear? So right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be equals to this. So students, here we have written both the numbers in the standard form. Now we will compare the digits one by one. Before decimal there is 0, 0. Again 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Left hand side 0. Right hand side 4. We are not going to further compare because here at this place there is 0 and there is 4. So this number is greater because 4 is greater than 0. Clear? Let's do the second part. Here this is 7 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 20. It means we will divide the 7 by 10 raised to the power 20. How many zeros will be there in 10 raised to the power 20? 20 zeros. So this will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we will put decimal here and we cannot start any number with decimal. So put 0 in the starting. This is 9 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 21. How many zeros will be there in 10 raised to the power 21? 21 zeros. So we will shift decimal before 21 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Put decimal here. Number cannot start with the decimal, so put 0 here. Now compare them one by one. Before decimal 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, zeros, zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this place there is 7 and there is 0. So which one is greater? At this place there is 7 and there is 0. So of course 7 is greater. So this will be greater. And students, you can directly observe this also. Here we are dividing by 10 raised to the power 20. And here we are dividing by 10 raised to the power 21. So which one will be greater? This one will be greater because we are dividing. आपको पता है जब हम smaller number से divide करते हैं, we get the greater value, and when we will divide by the greater number, we get the smaller value. Here we are dividing by the smaller number, that means 10 raised to the power 20. And in this one we are dividing by greater number, that means 10 raised to the power 21. So this will be greater. Clear? So students, now with this exercise your chapter 2 exponents is also completed. Practice as much as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.